LaMelo Ball's latest sneaker, the PUMA LaFrancé RNR, represents a bold evolution in his growing signature line, this time with a clear focus on lifestyle over performance. Marking a departure from his MB series, the LaFrancé RNR debuts in the Flare colorway, arriving August 1 for $120 via PUMA.com, flagship locations, and select retailers. The design features a retro trail-inspired sole paired with a futuristic, layered upper for a chunky, fashion-forward look. Earthy neutrals mix with bold blue, orange, and yellow accents, capturing LaMelo's energetic and fearless style. More than just another release, the LaFrancé RNR highlights PUMA's push into the lifestyle sneaker space for 2025 and reinforces LaMelo's rising influence beyond basketball. With this launch, fans get a comfortable, standout off-court option that blends statement design and personality. It's not just a shoe, it's the next step in LaMelo's transformation into a cultural icon and a fashion-driven athlete.